Hi guys, it's PD here and today we'll be reviewing this gaming desktop called Lenovo IdeaCentre G5. So before starting these videos guys, please like, share and subscribe so I remain motivated and create awesome videos like this one. So I was searching gaming desktops in Amazon.in guys, and I found out this gaming desktop called Lenovo IdeaCentre G5. I did a little bit of research and came to a lot of conclusions guys. So let's study those conclusions step by steps. Coming over the specification, they're offering i7 10 Gen processor, which is pretty good actually at this pricing point. Coming to the operating system, they're offering Windows 10, which definitely will be there for the gaming purposes. On the memory and storage, they are offering 8 GB DDR4 RAM, which is only expandable up to 32 GB guys, which is actually terrible nowadays. Even laptop offer the RAM slots which are expandable up to 64 GB. Even gaming desktops motherboard offers 64 GB expansion. That means there is something wrong with the motherboard. The motherboard is only offering two memory slots, which is only expandable up to 32 GB guys. So here I without even seeing the desktop, I came to the conclusion that there is something wrong with the motherboard, because motherboard with the four slots will definitely offer 64 GB RAM expansion, as you can see on my calculator. But if a simple motherboard is offering two RAM slots, we will have an expansion of up to 32 GB RAM guys. So definitely there is something going on with the motherboard here. So we'll see about that guys. Coming to the storage here, they are only offering 1 TB of hard disk and 256 GB of SSD. So if they are offering a gaming desktop, I don't understand the meaning of 1 TB of hard disk, because hard disk is very slower guys, and SSD is like much faster. So if you're gonna buy this gaming desktop, you will definitely keep your gaming on your SSD. And also guys, they haven't even mentioned that the SSD which they are using, whether it is NVMe, M2 or simple solid state drive. So I did a little bit of research and found out that it is only simple solid state drive guys, and uh, they should have gone for like NVMe and M2 because it is much faster guys. So coming to the graphics point of view guys, so they are offering NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2060 guys, which is I would say fair at this price point guys. But nowadays we have new graphic cards like 2060s, 2080, and even we have 3080 guys. So with this price point, I would say that it is a fair option. But guys, the terms which I let you through and I showed you the different conclusion, it clearly says that guys, that if you're gonna buy this gaming desktop like for streaming purposes, don't go for it. It is a terrible option. This gaming desktop is only for temporary purpose. Within a month, even I think even after a week, you will get bored of it. So I went through some of the customer reviews and I found out some of the pictures. So looking at the picture guys, if you see the inner part, it's terrible guys, it's really terrible. You can clearly see the motherboard. As I was telling you that there is something wrong with the motherboard, definitely it is, because definitely this motherboard is not a gaming motherboard. Even if you look at the power supply, it is like a very cheapest power supply they have used. I don't know how much power watts it will give if you look at the graphic card. So the even 2060 is barely getting fitted it there. So if you want to scale, if you want to get a new graphic card like 2080 and 3080, the size is like very big. You cannot fit that graphic card here guys. For that you might have to buy a new cabinet, new power supply, new cooler and all. Even looking at the this picture guys, I can definitely say that this computer will have a very high heating issues guys, because I don't see any cooler here. Definitely the temperature will like be having a very high hot rate increase here guys. I also went through to see whether there are any fans or not. So I found out that there is one fan in the back which every cabinet have here, and also they are offering one fan in the front. I saw it in the picture. Yeah, here from the bottom we gonna get some cooling. But two fans are not able to provide such cooling which a gaming desktop needs. It will definitely result in decrease in FPS, guys. So if you want to play like Call of Duty Warzone, Valorant, PUBG and all, you will not get a very high end performance, but you will get like a medium performance, guys. And even if you're buying this gaming desktop, like that in future we will buy a new graphic card, in future we will have a new RAM, new SSD and all. So for SSD and hard disks, you can increase it, but for the purpose of RAM and graphic card, guys, this PC is not scalable. It's a terrible product which is Lenovo is offering. And from the perspective of mine, I will give only 1 star to this product, guys. It's a terrible piece of shit which they are offering. And by just looking at the price point, you cannot buy this product, guys, because they are luring you in with this price point and selling you the cheapest product, guys. So definitely, guys, it's a no for me. If you're willing to buy this, don't buy this, guys. So with this, guys, I'm gonna end my video. Please like, share and subscribe. It really motivates me, and thank you guys for your time.